This tutorial will show you how to download photos using Safari online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so basically to download photos with Safari online completely for free, I'm going to type in Safari and I'm going to open up the app. In this case, I'm using a smartphone and I'm using iPhone. This can work for Android and Mac, computer, PC, and laptop. Now if I scroll up, I just type this in under Google, the search engine or browser, Pexels 4K photos for free. And basically there's a couple ways to do this. You can click on the website completely that you want to download the photos, or you can click on the second tab or option which says images. This method is much quicker. Now basically I'm going to click the second option, and basically of this bridge, looks like the Golden Gate Bridge. Click and hold on the picture or the image, then you want to click the second option, save to photos, and this will save the photo Safari completely for free. And we'll test this out. I'll click another image and I'll hold down on the screen, click the second option, save to photos. And just to make sure this works, I'm going to go into the photo app, and as I can see here under albums, we have both photos that we just downloaded online or images in Safari completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.